In my last session, I have explained you general provisions of Constitution as well as requirement of humanity regarding humanity-based uniform civil code. Now, in this session and sessions hereafter, I will try to explain you my views regarding necessity of humanity based uniform civil code. In this session, I will be taking women and prohibited degrees connected with Article 14, 15 of Constitution. For again, we will go to Article 14 and 15. Of course, I will not repeat again preamble of the Constitution. It is very clear, so I will not repeat. Now, what Article 14 says? Equality before law. The state shall not deny to any person. Here, person includes woman, man, etc. Equality before the law, all the equal protection of the laws within the territory of India. Every person, no denial is allowed regarding equality. Neither will say no denial as to equal protection is also allowed. I will be coming on personal laws as well as prohibited degrees as well as women's in this regard, but this fact is there. Now we will go to Article 15. Prohibition of discrimination on the grounds of religion. Certainly religion is always there. Race, it is always there. Caste, it is always there. Sex, it is always there. And all place of birth which I had explained you specifically in my last session. Now, here I am speaking about sex. Women, gents, ladies, man, woman. Or any of them is, the word is there for everywhere. Whether it is religion, etc., sex always is there. Now, let's discuss on this point whether a discrimination by law is allowed regarding man and women, gents and ladies. Okay? Now, if we speak Article 14 and 15, Article 14 to any person, that includes both man and woman. Prohibition of discrimination includes sex, means both man and woman. Now, in such a background, first I will be going to the point of prohibited degrees, which is everywhere in every personal law bias on the man side. Yes, I will say bias, because all these laws have come from various customs, etc., followed by traditions, etc., followed by old peoples, which were, I will say, correct on that occasions when they will brought for, but not now when many things have been developed. In such a ground, I will speak about discrimination not allowed on the basis of sex, that is man and woman. Same way, equality for man and woman. Now, prohibited degrees. You go to any personal law. this personal law is good, that is bad, I will not do. Because in every personal law, there are such various good things also, various bad things also. But one is certain, one point is certain, 2 points are certain, that all the personal laws are not equally liable or prohibited or permitted to all the peoples in India. At the same time, on the point which here I am here is regarding sex, regarding women's. It is, I already said, it is biased to the man's side. Any personal law. Basically, prohibitory decree I am speaking. Maximum personal laws are speaking about prohibitory decree based on man. Based on man. Not based on woman. Both are equal as per law, as per constitution. But these prohibitory decrees are biased. Because all things, I don't want to go in history. I want future. And if we speak about future, that is children's, future children's, next generation, further next generation, further next generation. I am speaking for them. If we have to consider equality or no discrimination or based on sex, then how come these prohibitory degrees are there? Here, some people may come forward by stating scientific reasons. I will not go in details of that, at least at this junction. What is there? A child comes from woman's womb. Child comes from woman's womb. And prohibitory degrees, if you see, are biased on man's side. And here I say there is no equality and there is discrimination in favor of man. In every personal law, every personal customs, every personal traditions. Why is as per Article 13 whether they will be permitted? And even then you are continuing for last 70 years. Why? My question is, as per Article 14 and 15, whether equality is there or whether discrimination is biased on side of man. No permission. And now we will speak regarding humanity. Yes, everywhere I will be going with humanity ground also. See, basically, when old customs were there, medical science was not improved. Agreed. Medical science was not improved, and that's why the reason of cohabitation regarding man was not equal. Because when a woman becomes pregnant, she loses nearly 1.5 hour, 1.5 year for further cohabitation. Agreed. That was the thing. But now, in the present generation, present time, medical science has been improved. You can take medicines, you can prohibit pregnancy, unwanted pregnancy, you can stop pregnancy. And that is the thing. Hardly 1 or 2 times that period will come, because nowadays every city, every nation, I will say, speaks of minimum pregnancy, minimum children. If that is so, then in the new generation, the coming generation, what will be the situation? And then why this discrimination of prohibited degree on one side is there? Who gives birth? Mother. And prohibited degree in favor of father. Why? My question is here. I ask everybody whether such a prohibited degree should be continued. And one thing is there. Speak of a mind of every woman. What she will think of. One thing is there. Every woman relations, and I will say mother's relations and father relations, both should be simultaneously and equally be prohibited, whether they are brother of mother or father, whether they are sister of mother or father, whether they are nephews of mother or father. Everywhere the same prohibited degree should be used for. If that happens, that will be called as equality, that will be called as prohibition of discrimination in real sense to the sex. That's my this topic, pure subject. Again, humanity. When humanity comes, why one side? As a humanity I am speaking now, not as a Article 14 and 15. As a humanity, why one side? Why not both sides? They are brothers equally, whether on mother side or father side. Where they are nephews equally, whether on mother side or father side. They are uncles equally, aunts equally, when they are on mother side as well as father side. Then why prohibited degrees not equal to the every personal law? I will say, if all the uniform civil code, which we are waiting for. Yes, we are waiting for. For last 70 years we are waiting for, and I think we should not wait further. But with this Article 14, 15 equally to women and man. Here, just not prohibited degree, equality everywhere for woman and man, regarding working, regarding home working, regarding wearing, regarding playing. Yes, some sports can't be played by women, some sports can't be played by gents or man. I can understand. But which they can play, why you are prohibiting? Including temples, mosques, church. Yes, they are all played places, not based on discrimination, I will say, because God has given these places, and these are places of gods. Every person can go there. Every person, including woman. even making praise as well as, I will say, making pujas. I am not getting exact word in English. Everything should be permitted by women as well. You know, everybody know, or I will say maximum people know, that Supreme Court has also made an order under Article 14 and 15 regarding prohibition of women to enter the temple. It is the thing that they both are equal, and old custom, various reasons were there. I don't want to go in history. I want future. Yes, I said I want future, and that's why I'm requesting you all, please don't discriminate, but use equality for man and woman everywhere, wherever possible. I'm using the word wherever possible. Keep or throw everything which is against these principles of Article 14 and 15 from your mind, whether you are ladies or gents. Throw it away. Just throw it away. Just throw it away. Yeah, I will say